My name is Armando Torres. I've been in solar for about 6 years now. You know, the solar market is getting more condensed, so competition is rising for sure. So utilizing the Solar Insure to set yourself apart is a huge game changer in what we do. In terms of my number one objection, I would say that we get is what happens if Ion Solar Pros goes out of business. This is really where I leverage Solar Insure the most. So that way, if God forbid ISP is gone tomorrow, that homeowner still has a servicer to utilize throughout their solar system term or timeline. Most companies just provide a 10-year coverage on the roof penetrations. Because we're Solar Insure certified, we're going to get full 30-year coverage on that. So once again, setting us apart from the competition and helping us win deals. So once in the beginning, I kind of do a quick overview of our partners and what sets us apart. Obviously, the main one that I utilize at that time, I do a soft intro of Solar Insure. I don't really dive into the warranty just yet, but I just go along the lines of it's a vetting process that we go through as an organization, and we are Solar Insure certified. Remember, they've only known me for 10 minutes. Yeah. So it's like, who is Armando and who is ISP? Right. So I kind of give them another company. It's not us, right? These guys have gone through our company with a fine-tooth comb, and they've chosen to partner with us, which they don't do with everybody. So listen, you can trust us based off of these guys, and just do your research on Solar Insure, and that'll circle back to ISP. When ISP went ahead and said, on every single purchase, we're gonna include it, is the game changer. It's no longer an option, Mr. Homeowner. This is our standard. This is what you get with us, and that's it. It's just the best of the best warranty, the best materials it can provide to you, hands down, and that's it. Keeps it simple. There is no upselling. I don't think I've ever lost a deal with no Solar Insure versus a Solar Insure. Not any system that comes to my mind, not any appointment I've had where someone has sat with another company, they don't have Solar Insure. I've never had them say, oh, it's not worth anything to me, or this other company has a better warranty. It's just non-existent. It's non-existent. It's a competitive edge. And it's the difference between someone coming to ISP to do a solar system or going to our competitors. You know, if we're, let's say, the same price, maybe I'm priced a little higher, but they had that double protection, 9.5 times out of 10, they are still gonna go with us because we're providing more value to them. We have to figure out a way to remain competitive, provide as much value to the customer as possible, and sell the system at a reasonable rate. And Solar Insure allows us to do that.